This is the SIG Network meeting for April 11th. Blah, 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 all that stuff. CNCF code of contact, be nice to everybody. And we have no agenda. And I suppose we have nobody who has triage queued up, right? All right, I guess I will try to. But we have like a link for this, right? Issues for triage. Am I sharing? See my triage issues? Yes, okay.
Yes.
Okay, broken connectivity while using IPBS, external IP, and external traffic policy locally. So actually, before we really get into this, there's nothing else in the agenda. Did anybody else actually have anything for the agenda, or are we just going to be triaging this? All right, it's like triage until someone says stop. Yes, okay.
That one is already fixed.
Okay.
He might require a cherry pick down to 1.27 or what's.
Yeah,
Can I assign this to you?
Yeah, sure. I can close it.
Oh, well, if it needs to be cherry picked, then someone should make sure it gets cherry picked.
Triage accept, right?
What was that?
Triage accept for the previous one. Label it. So.
Oh.
Accept. Okay, I think that is accept ED.
Okay.
Yeah.
SCTV server. Oh, this is already assigned to Damon. So entry point selected by multiple headless services only has one DNS host name.
This was reported in Slack. This is a pretty complex one. I didn't have time to check. It's about endpoint slices.
But also about DNS stuff, right?
Yeah, what the person say is that it's the way that endpoint slices are created with this setup. DNS kind of understand that DNS cannot deambiguate or something and only gets the record for one of them or something like that. But he has a repro, has everything. So this is something.
Anybody want to take this?
I'm new and I'm trying to get involved.
So
if no one else wants to take it.
Yeah, all you have to do is, figure out, look through, figure out, is this really something that's happening? Is this a real bug? And then if so, triage accepted it, if you want to investigate further than that, then you're more than welcome to. But mostly it's just a matter of figuring out this really is a bug, not just like a problem with Calico that should be reassigned to there, or in this case probably more likely core DNS. Right? So, what is your GitHub ID? Lose you or did we lose you?
Seems that freeze.
Okay, I'm still there. All right, we'll come back if he reappears. Setting internal traffic policy. 1 second delays. I hate these. I was looking at that old VXLAN double encapsulation bug again.
I don't know if this is a problem of the setup. If he's testing with endpoints that are out of the node, of course, when they switch, he's going to find delay, right? Because he's going to lose one endpoint.
It says it's a change from 1.26 or 1.25 to 1.26.
Yeah, but maybe in 125 was alpha or beta or was not enabled or something like that.
I don't think any of this changed. Nobody else wants this. I can take this. Network policy jobs are failing.
Then that's mine. Accept. And I'm running some performance tests.
Allow setting load balance for source ranges per port for ingress. This sounds like a job for gateway.
Yeah, you can redirect that one to me. I can take it.
Why for gateway?
Because we're not expanding Ingress API anymore. That's
But that's a service. It's not an ingress.
still I don't think we really want to expand service load balancer either.
Oh, he wants to expand. Okay, sorry, I thought he wants to expand the ingress to use this. Okay.
Internal DNS doesn't work after applying IPVS mode. A lot of information here. Anybody want to look at this and see what can be determined?
I can take a look at it since it's IPVS. Did the person who said that they wanted to take this bug reappear?
It seems that didn't reconnect.
This one. Quickie test. Services should preserve source. Oh, is this the one with the?
That I closed that one today. Because there was one flaky test that was polling the service, and when the service was being deleted, it was replying with the name of the host. And they were running with containerd master version, and they stopped to have the problem when the containerd fix on the exec thing happened there. It was only happening on that job, and it's kind of seems that was a containerd thing. I don't know why, but this is AWS, so we may I don't know, remove this from SIG Network.
Think this is AWS, not SIG Network?
This is a problem of that job, that how they implement I don't know which CNI are they using, but they don't pass this test. They are masquerading the IP of the pod.
So sounds like I can assign this to you and you will explain.
No, it's Teams on that. Okay, assign to me, I can explain. The thing is, that's not a job for Kubernetes, it's a job of AWS.
Key proxy is
Why
not
are
going to
we-
be creating IP tables entries. This is probably their setup, not actually a bug. Oh, and it's already assigned to me. Wait, did we look at this one before? Oh, no, I just.
Those are the ones that after some weeks, no response, we close. Three weeks ago.
So it's been a month. Yeah, do we close after a month?
I mean, if they don't reply, they want to reply, they can reopen. I don't know.
Yeah.
They were using WIF, so the company shut down like 1 month ago. Since the person was able to reconnect.
Yeah, my internet dropped.
Yeah.
So this was the one.
On one of the
right?
previous ones. No. I think it was
Yeah, it
not
was this
not
one.
that one either.
Yeah,
Wasn't
was
it
the
was it this one?
It wasn't?
Yeah, it was.
Actually,
It
I
was
can't
this
remember. Was it
I
this
think it
one?
was.
Okay. Cool. Sorry.
Right, because we were talking about it looks like it could be a core DNS thing if it's not core Kubernetes. What is your GitHub?
Adrian Moisey, ADRIAN MOISEY.
Like that?
MOI, an I after the O.
That.
That's me, yeah.
All right, it's going to complain.
Cool.
That
And
it's on you, I think.
if I need any help, who can I DM somebody or ask in channel or what?
Go to the SIG Network channel and
Yeah.
open a thread and just say, "Oh, I'm investigating this. I did these steps, whatever thing."
Cool. And is the purpose just to investigate if this bug is a bug?
It's
Yeah.
to
So
get
for
information.
purposes, to make sure that it is actually, not user error and not a bug in somebody else's component. But whatever you
Cool.
can figure out is good.
Okay.
If you want to fix it and submit a PR, that's great. The other thing, so like I said, this did not actually get assigned to you. So if you search for PRs assigned to you, it won't show up because you are apparently not in the Kubernetes organization yet, because you haven't, done any PRs and stuff. So but you should at least have gotten a notification because I tagged you. So, all right. So we have another flake. Windows. Yay. Here, let's hook. This doesn't sound networky at all. It's a SIG node.
Just
So-
remove SIG Network from there.
Well, Calico issue.
You know that we broke Calico I broke Calico with the external addresses thing.
What
The
external-
cloud provider external address, the logic that we changed.
Oh,
Casey commented in one of the issues, just for reference, this broke Calico. And okay, sorry.
yeah, this.
That's
True.
true. That's sad, but that's true.
You proxy. Um, February 28th. Did we? Oh, it looks like is assigned to me. Okay. This seems like I need to look at this because it's assigned to me. Admin to set the default bandwidth limit per pod. Report.
But those are already assigned, right?
Yeah. Okay. So maybe we're sort of done with triage then. I guess the search.
Yeah, I mean,
Well, has anything else shown up in the agenda?
I don't have it open. No. When is the release? Let's remember dates. When is the release for this?
This is 17th. So next Wednesday.
Okay. Then okay. Since we have 30 minutes more.
Do people want to triage or re-triage old bugs or get their half hour back? Okay, vote for getting their half hour back.
Silence means half hour, I think.
Yeah, sounds good.
All right. See everybody in 2 weeks then.
Cool. Thanks.
Thanks.